Next up, we will work on how to program a color sensor. To do this, we will be using the REV Color Sensor. First, we will create a new subsystem for color sensor by right-clicking on the robot file, clicking the Create New Class command, and choosing Subsystem. Inside of VS Code, we will import Color Sensor v3, which is the class that allows us to utilize the features of the color sensor. Next up, we will configure the color sensor by creating a new color sensor object. We will type out color sensor is equal to new color sensor v3. To fulfill the arguments the class is asking for, we will put in the port. The one that we will be using will be i2c.port.k onboard. Next, we will create a function that will get the RGB values detected with the color sensor. This will be done by using the getBlue, getRed, and getGreen functions built into color sensor v3. We need to get the RGB values to be updated continuously as the program runs. So we will need to make a function that takes RGB values and compares them. We can do this by adding the RGB values as parameters. After that, the most likely color will be shown inside a SmartDashboard. We can do this by calling the function inside teleoperiodic that displays RGB values by matching its arguments by doing color.colorsensor.getRed and more. We will use color.colorsensor.getProximity for the distance argument. After you finish doing this, then the result should be an accurate color sensor, and in SmartDashboard, you should be able to display the current RGB value being received.